What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It is Sunday. We haven't really recorded anything since last weekend, but right now I am actually waiting on an auction to end on eBay so I can buy more Hot Wheel mystery cars for you guys. Show you that real quick. So here we have a lot of 21 cars. $19 right now is the highest. I'm really hoping to get this. I really don't want to spend any more than like 30 bucks. Because it is, I think it's like $14 and it's $14.35 for shipping, so I don't want to go over 40-50 bucks. But we have 10 minutes left of this auction. Hopefully we get it because I really want to continue on with the mini-series. Just under 3 minutes. Oh, my anxiety is going. 2 minutes. So I'm not exactly sure if this is cheating or if you can cheat. But basically Chloe's I'm gonna go to place a bid like that. The current bid I could put $19.50, and Chloe's actually gonna not place a bid, but she's gonna refresh the page to see if anybody has bid yet. She's gonna do that around 45 seconds to 30 seconds. I have a little timer right. Wow, that does not want to focus. A little timer right there so I can keep an eye on it as well. And we're hopefully gonna win these cars for you guys because I really like this mini-series. I hope you guys are enjoying it just as much, if not more than I am. But we got a minute 15 seconds and my heart is pounding. I don't know why, because it's not that big of a deal, but it is to me. But oh my god, it's almost time. We did it! We did it! We did it, guys! Woo!
You're so
And a third party, woo! Here we go. So yeah, the highest bid, I put my bid in at about 5 seconds to go. I didn't want to record it in case I needed two hands to type in super fast. But we got down to 5 seconds. The highest bid was $21.50, I believe Chloe
25.
said. $25.50.
After 3 seconds, it was 25.
And then I put in my bid of $30, and we got it with 27. So that's awesome. We are now able to move forward. I'm shaking. I don't know why. This is so lame. We're able to move on and move forward with the mini-series. So that's awesome for us. And hopefully these Hot Wheels will be here in about a week to a week and a half if we don't get any more bad weather. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up the payment process for the Hot Wheels. Alright, so according to eBay, this package should be here by Friday. And you guys don't know, but I actually have a somewhat special package coming Thursday. I ordered it off of Touch of Modern. I'm not being paid to buy the item. I'm not. It's no sponsorship or nothing. I bought it because this is something that I've wanted for a while. Chloe kind of pranked me with it last Christmas. No, was it last Christmas? No, it was 2 years ago. 2 Christmases ago. She told me she bought me something. She didn't buy me the item. She actually bought me something else. It'll make a lot more sense this Friday when I record to you guys, but this is something that I've wanted for the past couple of years, and it's been too expensive for me to buy out of pocket, but I finally found it on Touch of Modern for 3/4 of the price. That's right, for 3/4 of the price, and you guys will understand how much of a bargain that is when I tell you the original price and what it actually is. Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another video. Well, technically a continuation from the videos that you just saw. Anyways, today is Friday. It is a little after 9 o'clock. We have some Hot Wheels for you guys. We also have something else that I mentioned in the first or second video or the clip. And we have a new tripod. We have a new tripod tonight. And Chloe was awesome and bought me a gift. But I have to pay her back for it, so no big deal.
Gift, it's just a lending.
So it's a lending. I just gotta pay her back for it. When I get my taxes back, no big deal. But let's get into opening up this stuff and trying out the new tripod, and then we'll get into the Hot Wheels video. Alright, here we go. Oh man. Aw, the lenses. There we go. So here we have the Hot Wheels. Here we have not Hot Wheels. By the way, this is not a paid sponsorship or advertisement for Touch of Modern. I do use Touch of Modern quite often. When I was finally able to snag an item off them that I've been wanting for a very long time, but it was too expensive. Chloe bought me an Xbox One X and that is because it was $100 off. We couldn't pass up the offer. The $100 off the Xbox One X was ending, I believe he said, either tonight or Saturday or Sunday, I don't know. But either way, we couldn't pass up the offer, so Chloe bought it for me. I am going to pay it back like I just said. And we have a brand new tripod. So, super stoked to see everything, use everything and whatnot. So we're actually going to start to unbox these right now and see what's going on. Alright, so we just actually got done eating dinner, so don't mind all this crap around us. But
They can't see it.
Oh, alright then. That was kind of pointless. But so far, I'm actually very impressed with the packaging and the carry case. I really like it. Very good quality. Probably don't leave that down there because Daisy will chew on it. Nice stuff I don't have to worry about, stuff I don't really care about. So we have a level, which I actually don't need because if I press down on the keypad thing for the camera, it shows a leveler by itself. That's still a cool function to have. You can also use, oh wow, you can also use there's attachments for GoPro and whatever phone you have. I like this a lot already, actually.
Mm-hmm.
Now I just gotta figure out how to.
Watch Angel rubbing her face against that. I don't want to knock it over, honey.
She won't, it's heavy. Now I just need to figure out how to do this, because I have no idea. Alright, we'll come back to you guys when I can figure out how to get these legs to come out, because I don't want to break this. Yeah, 55-inch tripod. I love it.
You like it, Angel?
Really excited to use this, and I'm sure it'll come in good handy for car season as well. I don't know how yet, but I'm sure it will. So, very excited to use that. We're actually not going to throw you guys up on there just yet. We'll do that for the unboxing. But, here we are. We have the Hot Wheels. These came in rather quick. I ordered these Sunday night. Was it Sunday or was it Monday?
It was a day when we both had the day off, so I think Sunday.
Yeah, because you worked Monday. I didn't. Because of the weather. But, so I ordered these Sunday. I forgot where they came from. This came from Mount Airy, MD, which I believe is Maryland, right?
I think so.
So I mean, it's not that far away. It's still on the East Coast. But they got here Thursday. One thing is I don't think they're wrapped, so they could have been damaged during transit, which we'll find out right now. If so, not a big deal. That's just my receipt. Oh, what? What is this? What in the heck? That's weird.
What?
I don't know.
Are all the rest of the mystery boxes?
Yes and no. Hold on. That's alright, so we're gonna get into
Oh, I angled you a little high, sorry.
That's alright, we're gonna get this after. But that's I didn't know that they were sending that. That's pretty cool.
Well, you better have 21 or whatever of the
oh yeah, no, I will.
mysteries.
I mean, I have to. They have 100% feedback, good feedback. So.
Oh, this could be the one.
All right, now onto the Touch of Modern. How's the battery life doing? Because it was at half.
It doesn't say it's blinking.
Okay.
So I'm guessing good so far.
So now to the Touch of Modern. I told you guys in one of the previous clips that I would explain to you why I wanted this or whatever. I already forgot, but I'll give you the backstory anyways. So.
That you wanted it for a long time.
Yeah, a couple of years ago, Chloe tricked me into thinking that I was getting a watch for Christmas a couple of years ago. When in fact, she actually bought me this necklace, and I really love it. I wear it all the time. So I got pretty used to the fact. I talked myself into getting used to.
The idea of a watch.
Yeah, thank you. So we went to a jewelry store that we live near, and one of her friends works at, and the watch was too expensive, and it was $1,000, brand new. Touch of Modern actually had this exact watch for sale, and we are getting the unboxing right now.
Movado. Or
I am
Movado.
so stoked. Ooh, my god. That is so nice. I am so happy. Wow. It's no Rolex, obviously, because Rolex is like... but wow, that is a nice piece.
You made sure you got the right wrist size, correct?
They're adjustable. Those pins come out.
Okay. But
So,
what if you need it bigger?
I don't know, but I'm...
Hold on,
My wrist...
you have to put your hand behind it. I think it's getting confused. It's focusing on the reflection of my shirt.
That's alright. So, I bought this watch for $250 versus the $1,000 it usually retails for. So, I am very stoked to wear it. It's a lot slimmer than I thought.
Which is nice.
Yeah,
Because then it's not clunky.
Right. So, I'm not upset. Wow. I'm not upset about it whatsoever. I am so stoked now. So, very glad I was able to purchase that. You guys already know what the Xbox looks like. I'm not going to unbox that. And now we will mount you guys up there, and we will get to those cars right there. Alright guys, so obviously you saw this one already. This is called, I don't know what it's called, to be honest. But that was super cool. I never saw that.
It says Mattel wheels.
Yeah, but I don't know the name of the car.
Let's call Final Run.
Alright, so they didn't show that on the thing online, the advertisement.
It says right on it, all tools destroyed, exclusive decorations, special tires.
Huh.
So, and it feels like it's like metal. I know they're all metal, but like this seems like heavy. Sorry, go ahead.
That's alright. So this one is called Cockney Cab 2. It's kind of odd. 2006. It's I don't know. I don't know. Chrome Burns, Chrome Burnez or whatever, 3 of 5. Again, that was never in the ad. Here's another one that wasn't in the ad, so they must have thrown in extras, I don't know, but pretty cool either way. This one is called Rigor Motor, or Rigor Motor. And now we get into the mystery box unboxing. So, if you guys are new to the series, I buy as many of these as I can. What is it called? I just got a text. I'm doing as many of these as I can. I do 10 each week. As long as I can buy them at a decent price, then I'll do it. But here's box number 1 out of 10 for tonight. We're looking for that Bugatti or Maserati MC12. I believe the Maserati MC12 was in the 2007 mystery box.
Oh.
Got another purple bug,
You're probably gonna
Volkswagen
have to
bug.
get a little closer. And just give it a few seconds to. Well, they've already seen it.
Yeah, this is nothing special. It's alright.
Focusing on Daisy's ears over there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Box number 2. And I'm trying to do this without getting a sneak peek from you guys, before you guys. Chloe's being the camera woman tonight because I can't see camera. Ooh, we got another What For 2. This one is a different paint scheme though,
A little
right?
bit closer, please. Yeah, that's a good shot.
So this one's a different paint scheme. We have 2 or 3 others in gray, the same kind of flame. So that's pretty cool. Not what we're looking for, but pretty cool.
Fire flame! Flame fire!
Oh, I use a knife on this one.
Careful.
Gotta be very careful because if we have a Bugatti, we don't want to scratch it.
I'm gonna peek.
Oh, that's different.
It is? Oh, it is.
I have
A
no
little bit
idea.
closer. There you go. It's a good shot. Just give it the top, though.
Hold on a second. This one is called Ballistic.
I like that, eh?
Very cool. Looks like some sort of a Aston Martin in the back and like a Corvette in the front.
An Aston in the back.
Alright, so that's 3 so far.
Nah.
Knowledge.
Knowledge.
What do we have here?
It's a... Oh.
This is a fished and chipped. We have one already.
You remember these?
Most of them, yeah. So that's nothing too special.
Wow.
Come on, Bugatti. This one's in a wrapper. I can feel it because it's... No, it's not actually. I think it was sideways. Da 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 da. Aw, another duplicate.
I still like that one though.
I'm not a fan, honestly, but that's alright. Nothing special. So this is number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Even though these aren't very securely wrapped or whatever, or they're not wrapped at all, they're in really good condition. So that's really all that matters to me at the end of the day, is that they're in good condition. Ooh! Oh, no way! That's the Maserati MC12.
Wait, it's not focusing. It's not focusing.
How about now?
No. Closer.
Nothing.
Well, you're kind of just putting your hand up. Now it is a little bit better.
Oh, there we go. Guys, we got the Maserati MC12. That is awesome. I didn't think we would get it. So it's not really capturing it on camera, but the paint is actually, it's got like it's metallic, it's sparkly.
Yeah. There's a glisten to it.
That is so cool.
Maybe we put like a brighter light on it.
Wow, that is so cool, guys. That is awesome.
There it is. You see a little bit better?
A little bit, yeah. Oh my god. I'm so happy. Alright, so we're going to keep the box with the car.
Angel broke.
She did break. So we're going to keep the box with the car. I'm going to try to do the same thing with the Bugattis. Just in case I do decide to sell them later on.
What's she eating?
I have no idea. Nothing now. She's over here.
Daisy, stop eating stuff, honey. Oh, your best friend's over there. That's why.
Guys, I cannot believe it. We got a Maserati MC12. We got another duplicate, but that's alright.
I'll interrupt this program to bring you Angel! Bubby, what you doing? Donna.
I gotta figure out how to make
Donna,
it zoom
Donna.
faster.
Donna, Donna. Diddly. Oh, good flip, Bubby.
Battery's dying.
It is. Oh, she
Alright,
looks
so
so
the battery's
cute.
dying, so we kind of have to go through this quick.
Okay.
I hate to rush, but I don't want the battery to die. If it does die, I will not open up the last 2 packs, and I will wait for you guys.
Her little butt is so cute.
Now that I'm rushing, I can't get it open. I might have to film the outro later. This is a Rapid Transit, I believe.
Don't worry about it right now.
This is a Rapid Transit. It is a duplicate.
We gotta hurry.
I know. Oh, I did have a sneak peek, but it's nothing special.
I love the buggies.
They're cool and all, but they're just not my style. And car number 10 for tonight. Featuring Daisy chewing the broccoli in the background.
Good job, Bubby. That's all she knows how to do, is eat.
Yup, eat, sleep, run around.
Go bathroom.
Another Rapid Transit. That's alright though.
We already got 2 in a row.
No big deal.
Oh, we didn't get 2 in a row. Sorry, the buggy was in between it.
That's alright.